Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the A409 screw. So this is a screw that comes in every box of twist clips. There's 50 of them in a box. Let's see a couple of attributes we've got here. So it's a T15 head, it's a stainless steel 304, it's a black electrophoresis coated screw, and it's a 3/4 inch, 20 mils. It's got a self-drilling tip on it, so you can see there. Then you've also got the head. Yeah. So it's really important to note that this screw is not mandatory, so you do not have to use it with every clip, and refer to any of the twist clip videos around if or when you need to use the screw. Typically you're only ordering this screw if you're wanting to use the twist clip, say in vertical applications where you're needing to screw off every single twist clip. But you don't, in 99% of cases, you don't have to place separate orders for the screw.